And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Pretty mellow out there this afternoon. We're at 65 degrees and just a light breeze across some parts of the city. Beautiful blue sky in Pueblo. You're up to 70 right now. There is a bit of a wind in Pueblo. It's out of the west right now, sustained at 15 miles per hour. There's that red flag warning. Again, we've got bone dry fuels all across the viewing area. The wind, the dry fuels, and also low humidity contributing to that high fire danger. So again, you need to stay away from anything that could possibly spark a fire. Here's what's going on. And we gave you the first alert on this storm last week. Told you the main energy would pass too far to the north, and there it is, bringing some good amounts of precipitation across southern Wyoming, even a thunderstorm around Cheyenne earlier this afternoon. A little bit of snow far northern Colorado, also along and west of the Continental Divide, but again, the storm tracking too far north to be a precip maker here across the News 5 viewing area. The associated cold front moves through later. It'll be well southeast of us tomorrow morning. By afternoon, high pressure really the key player for us. That'll bring in generous amounts of sunshine once again. It is going to be cooler, but not dramatically cooler. We'll still be in the 60s tomorrow across most parts in the News 5 viewing area. Here's the way it shakes out hour by hour. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., 41 degrees with those beautiful blue skies. By late morning, we're warming into the 50s. During the afternoon hours, this is 1 p.m., we're already into the 60s around here. Pretty good day's work considering that cold front that we're going to have to deal with a bit later. You can see the impact of that cold front. Right now, it's 47 in Monument, more than 30 degrees warmer out across the valley at Lamar. They're at 79 degrees. Temperature's pretty comfortable across most parts of southeastern Colorado, but again, as that front comes through, it's going to usher in that cooler air for tonight and tomorrow. We will drop below freezing tonight with mostly clear skies. 29s for both Colorado Springs and Pueblo. Around here tomorrow, not a bad day. Afternoon highs, yes, a little cooler, but not a lot of wind to deal with. Maybe a light breeze out of the south during the afternoon, 5 to occasionally 10 miles per hour. And tomorrow will be the coolest day we'll have around here for at least the next 7 days. We are going to shift this thing into cruise control. Look at those temperatures, helping of 70s Friday and Saturday. A weak cold front comes in by Saturday evening. That'll push us down to 69 degrees on Sunday, which is still a bargain for this time of the year. I've got a shower and a question mark on Tuesday. There's a very weak system that looks to develop and maybe impact the weather across Colorado by next Tuesday. Of course, it's still a week off, and a lot will happen between now and then. Wanted to give you the first alert on the possibility, anyway, of that happening. In Pueblo tomorrow, 65 degrees, and then you are back into the 70s. Don't put that barbecue grill away just yet. 70s back-to-back days all the way through next Tuesday. It's going to be a gorgeous weekend, maybe a little breezy to windy on Sunday with that next front coming in, but you can see it's another weak front with the high only dropping 4 degrees. So again, afternoon high temperatures extremely comfortable for the next 7 days. Canyon City, same exact pattern. There's not a day on the map there that you're going to see cloudy skies. We'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine, especially by next Tuesday as that weak system rolls across the Rockies. Maybe a sprinkle or a shower developing by then. And for Woodland Park, your coolest day is going to be tomorrow. Also unseasonably warm most of the forecast period Thursday through next Tuesday. Afternoon highs really comfortable with that system. We've got at least a shower chance coming in by next Tuesday.